just got the 44 tube sprocket on the rear, so now I have 1344 instead of 1350, which is so nice. I can finally cruise at like 70-80 kilometers an hour on the Supermoto wheels and it doesn't feel weird. And I still have some like power in the bike, and it just feels so freaking nice. It's so nice riding weather right now. I think it's like 25 degrees or something, because you're sweating if you're sitting still. If you're riding, you're chilling, you know, it's not even cold, it's not even chilly. It's so nice. And I don't know, it's just so nice. It's crazy. This, oh yeah, it worked today. Sometimes this red light right here doesn't work. Like sometimes it just doesn't recognize that you have a bike. When I had a Grom moped, that red light never worked. Just now when I had the Supermoto it started to work. But when I had the dirt bike it didn't work either. It just was the Supermoto. It's pretty crazy. Just pulling up in a coaster, that was pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, it's just so nice being at the stunt spot around this time. It's just a vibe. So on here we got the 44 tooth rear sprocket. It looks really good on there right now, and I actually like it a lot. It fits the bike really good. It was supposed to come with the wheels. I bought the wheels used, and the guy didn't really know where the gear or the sprocket was, and he got it for me now 3 weeks later. So that's really nice. We got the sprocket now, but definitely made a huge difference. I did not think 6 tooth in the rear would do that much. It does so much for your bike. It is insane. Bro, that's stopping though. What the fuck? That was my best stopper yet, what the fuck? But that one was good. I almost looped forward. A coaster though, what the fuck? That was a pretty good drift, I'm not gonna lie. Just got a little dizzy after it though. circles. This is why I don't do circle wheels and stuff, because my head just spins like crazy afterwards. We should try throttle no-hander, one-hander with the throttle hand, which is a little bit harder, because like one-hander with just this, the left hand is super easy, one-hander with the right hand it's a little bit harder, because you just need to be coasting, you can't be giving gas and stuff. So you just need 100% balance control and not throttle control. Okay. Okay, we're getting there. You see, it takes a little bit of time, it takes a little bit of work. Bro, it's just a catch, like when you catch it, you need to give so much throttle and just be as far back as possible. So yeah, that's gonna be a little bit of a challenge, but I think we're gonna be able to get through it, you know. As I say, this gearing is crazy. It's just so nice. You can do some super controlled wheelies. You can cruise normally at normal speeds. And it's just perfect. This spot is not as good as the last one because this is way closer to the city. It's not in the middle of the woods, but it's still a pretty nice spot, you know what I mean? It's a brand new spot. Hey, we did it! I know it's a really small one and short, but dude, we did it! Yo, let's go! Hey, we did it!